Top 5 Best Home Pest Control Services. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Orkin, a pest control giant with locations in more than 400 cities worldwide, Orkin is a major pest control company in the United States. The company has made a name for itself as a pest exterminator for more than 100 years. Terminix. In comparison to other bugs invading your house, termites need special treatment, and Terminix is among the top companies that offer this service. In 1932, the company became a major pest control force after obtaining a patent on termite control products. Ehrlich. Ehrlich offers one of the most comprehensive pest control protection plans in the industry, unlike some companies that offer catchy contracts or lackluster service plans. Bed bugs are usually a separate service offered by other companies when it comes to PestFree 365, which covers 36 common household pests. Massey Services. Pest control service provider Massey Services of Orlando, Florida proves that reliable service does not have to be expensive. In addition to pest control, the company provides termite control, mosquito treatment, and landscaping services. Prices are only determined by on-site inspections. The company does not offer online quotes. Arrow Exterminators. Arrow Exterminators offers an extensive service package that includes lawn care and moisture control along with pest control. In addition to such insects such as termites, bedbugs, fire ants, and scorpions, this treatment is effective against stinging insects as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.